Apple's foldable iPhone has been one of the biggest rumors in the tech world for years. Every year, leaks appear, patents surface, and reports claim that Apple is getting closer to launching its first foldable device. But now, something much more interesting has happened. Apple may have accidentally revealed that the project is real. References to a foldable iPhone were reportedly discovered inside the latest iOS 27 beta, giving fans another strong reason to believe that Apple's first foldable phone is finally on the way. Combined with newly leaked prototype images, a much clearer picture is starting to emerge. And if these leaks are accurate, Apple's first foldable device could be called the iPhone Ultra Fold. The leaked prototype shows a completely different design compared to traditional iPhones. Instead of the familiar candy bar shape, the iPhone Ultra Fold is expected to use a book-style folding design. When closed, the phone appears short and wide, almost like a compact square. Once unfolded, it transforms into a much larger screen that looks closer to a small tablet. This design is very different from flip-style foldables. Rather than folding vertically into a small clamshell, Apple appears to be focusing on productivity, multitasking, and media consumption. The goal seems to be creating a device that can function as both a smartphone and a tablet at the same time. One of the most exciting details is the display setup. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone Ultra Fold could feature two separate screens. The outer cover display is expected to measure around 5.5 inches. This screen would be used for everyday tasks such as checking notifications, sending messages, making calls, and quickly browsing apps without opening the device. When more screen space is needed, users can unfold the phone to reveal a massive 7.8-inch inner display. That screen size is very close to the iPad mini, making it ideal for watching videos, reading documents, gaming, and running multiple apps at once. If Apple manages to optimize iOS for this larger display, the experience could feel completely different from a traditional iPhone. Split-screen multitasking, drag-and-drop functionality, and improved productivity features could become major selling points. The leaked images also suggest that Apple is trying to keep the design clean and premium. The inner display reportedly features very slim bezels, helping create a more immersive viewing experience. A front-facing camera is positioned discreetly in the upper corner of the screen, reducing distractions while still providing functionality for selfies and video calls. Of course, one of the biggest challenges for every foldable phone is the display crease. No matter how advanced the technology becomes, most foldables still show a visible crease where the screen bends. The good news is that Apple has reportedly spent years working on solutions to reduce this problem. While leaked images suggest that a crease is still present, reports indicate that Apple is aiming to make it far less noticeable than what is currently seen on many competing foldable devices. Durability is another area where Apple is expected to focus heavily. Since this would be the company's first foldable product, expectations will be extremely high. Apple knows that users expect premium build quality, and any weaknesses could hurt the reputation of the entire product category. Looking at the back of the device, camera system appears surprisingly simple. The leaked prototype shows a pill-shaped camera module containing two cameras and an LED flash. While some may expect a triple camera setup, Apple could be prioritizing a thinner design and better internal space management for the first generation model. Another interesting change involves the physical buttons. Reports suggest that some controls may be moved to the left side of the device. This adjustment could make the phone more comfortable to use in both folded and unfolded modes. When it comes to colors, Apple appears to be taking a very conservative approach. White is rumored to be the primary launch color, while black and indigo versions may arrive later. That might sound limited, but it follows Apple's usual strategy of focusing on elegant and timeless finishes rather than flashy color options. The bigger question is what this device means for Apple's future. For years, companies like Samsung, Huawei, and others have pushed foldable technology forward. Apple has remained on the sidelines, watching the market mature before making its move. Now it seems that Apple finally believes the technology is ready. Rather than rushing into the market, Apple appears to be entering with a carefully planned product that focuses on usability, reliability, and ecosystem integration. The company has a history of entering product categories late but refining the experience in ways that attract mainstream consumers. That strategy could be exactly what happens with the iPhone Ultra Fold. The first generation may not be perfect. There will likely be limitations, compromises, and features reserved for future models. But if Apple successfully combines a premium foldable design with its powerful software ecosystem, the iPhone Ultra Fold could become one of the most important iPhone launches in years. The latest leaks, prototype images, and references discovered in iOS 27 all point toward one conclusion. Apple's foldable future is getting closer than ever. And if these reports are accurate, the iPhone Ultra Fold could finally bring Apple's vision of a foldable smartphone to life. A foldable iPhone be worth upgrading to? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Apple leaks, news, and updates.